Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech Gadget. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this Boult Audio ProBass Curve wireless neckband earphones. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the box in which it comes in. It costs around 4,499 according to the box, but in Amazon you can get it for around 1,199 at the time of shooting this video. Do note the price keeps fluctuating, sometimes it even goes below 1,000 rupees, so keep a note of that. So now let's unbox the device. On opening the box you get the earphones themselves. Let's just keep it aside and look at the other contents in the box. After that you get a accessory cover which has the micro USB charging cable, few extra ear tips and a warranty card. So that's pretty much what is in the box. So this was regarding the unboxing of these earphones. Now let's talk about its physical overview. First you get the earbuds which are magnetically attached, then an adjustable wire from the earbuds to the neckband. And in the neckband itself you'll find the batteries, 3 buttons, the microphone, and at the bottom a micro USB charging port for charging the earbuds themselves. So this was regarding the physical overview. Now let's talk about its review. First let's talk about the pros of the device. First thing is regarding the build quality of the earphones. The earbuds are made up of metal and the remaining part of it is made up of plastic. Considering the price point, I feel it is really good. The next pro is regarding the adjustable wire. As you can see in the neckband itself, you can adjust the wire length of the earphones as per your needs, which is a really good feature in my opinion. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The overall sound is clear and good, but when it comes to bass, the box says it has extra bass and built-in micro woofers. But I felt the bass was medium, neither too high nor too low. But overall, considering the price, I feel the sound quality is really good. The next pro is regarding the mic quality. While taking calls, the person in the other end had no issues listening to us. So overall, the mic quality is really good. Now let's talk about the charging and battery life. In the website, it claims of about 12 to 15 hours of battery life and 1 to 2 hours to charge, but in my testing I could get about 8 to 10 hours of battery life and 1.5 to 2 hours to completely charge the device. And also the standby is about 1 to 2 days, which is good. So overall the charging and battery life is good considering the price. The next pro is regarding the IPX5 water resistance. What it means is it can withstand water of 1 meter depth for about 30 minutes. I haven't tested it personally, but considering that is there, I feel it is good in case you're working out in a gym and stuff. The sweat or splashes of water might not damage the earphones. I wouldn't recommend you to dip it in water and stuff. So yeah, it's good to have this water resistance. The next pro is regarding the magnets in the earbuds. When you don't want to use the earphones, you can just magnetically attach the earbuds and leave it around your neck, which I feel is a really good thing to have. Next, let's talk about the comfortability. The earphones are very comfortable to wear, and because of its 60-degree angle, it fits perfectly in the ear. And also there is noise isolation, which is a really good thing. The last thing is about the range and latency. You will get a range of about 10 meters in an open area, but when there are walls or any other obstructions, the range is decreased. So overall it has a good range. And regarding latency, I noticed no latency while playing games or watching movies, so which is really good. So this was regarding the pros of the earphones. Now let's talk about its cons. The first con is regarding the lack of Type-C port. I know it is not a big deal at the moment, but considering many devices come with Type-C now, I feel it is worth adding to the cons. The next thing is regarding bass. As said earlier, the bass is somewhat in the middle, neither too high nor too low. but considering they're marketing it as extra bass and having micro woofers and stuff, I feel it should have had a bit more bass. So that is why I added this to the cons list. So this was regarding the pros and cons of this earphones. Now the next question is it worth buying? If it costed rupees 4,499, I wouldn't recommend it, but considering now it is available for 1,200, I would say it is worth it. So that's it. This was the unboxing and review of this Boult Audio ProBass Curve Neckband Earphones. If you want to buy these earphones, I will leave a link in the description. You can click on that and buy it. And also, I hope you found this video helpful. I'll appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. After you subscribe, make sure to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you have any suggestions or queries, do comment down below. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, this is Harshit and hope to see you in my next video.